Some neighborhoods never go out of style. Wallis Drive is one of them.
Located in Peterborough's West End, Wallis Drive is one of the city's most sought-after addresses, only seconds from Peterborough Regional Health Centre and close to excellent schools, neighbourhood parks, and walking trails. It's a welcoming, family-friendly neighbourhood that's remained one of the city's most desirable places to call home. And while the location is exceptional, the home itself is every bit as impressive. Inside you'll find bright, modern living spaces that have been updated and meticulously maintained. The layout is functional and filled with light. Outside, the backyard is something special. Expansive, west-facing, and offering plenty of privacy. It's the perfect backdrop for everything from family gatherings to quiet evenings at home.
This is a property you'll be proud to call home for years to come.